This is a carpet set for the Jaguar XK140 open two-seater Roadster model. This is applicable to a right-hand drive manual, and it's been made in red Deluxe Woven Wool, edged in cherry red to match the customer's main trim, with cherry red smooth leather heel pads as per requested from the customer. So what you get is you get a pair of Footwell fire toe boards. Obviously on the right hand drives you have various cutouts for the pedals. You then get the left hand toe board with no cutouts. They are edged as per original spec, so any unbound edges generally aren't seen because they tuck underneath the adjacent edge of a bound piece or underneath a panel. So you get a pair of the toe boards. You then get the clutch housing at the front here. Looks a bit messy when it's just flat there, but looks a lot tidier when it's in the car. You get a piece of material to recover the inspection plates. You then get the main gearbox tunnel here with the leather gear lever and surrounds. Again, all looks a bit messy when it's on a flat surface, but when it's got the tunnel underneath it and padded out correctly, it looks lovely. And then you have the prop shaft at the back here. Then you get obviously the main front floors. That's the left hand and this is the right hand. They are edged all the way around. They get a leather heel pad regardless. XK heel pads will always leather. Depending on what your main trim kit is, we'll either do it ingrained or smooth, and same again with the colours. We'll do it to match or complement your main trim. So see our website for more details, but that's the carpet set right there.